Hi, I'm Dan from Ozon Cyclery. At Ozon Cyclery, we've been building bamboo bikes since 2009, and our do-it-yourself bamboo bike building system is ready. Self-built bamboo bikes are quickly becoming a tradition among do-it-yourselfers and cycle enthusiasts. Not only for their natural appeal, but because they are light, durable, and absorb vibration. Even though the build process doesn't require any special tools, getting started is still daunting. Which geometry should I build? Which bamboo should I use? How do I make the joints? And where do I get a frame jig? These are all questions that plague first-time bamboo bike builders. This is where Ozon's years of experience building bamboo bikes and teaching bamboo bike workshops can help you. Ozon has a library of bike designs. We've tested and found the best types of bamboo. We know exactly how to make the joints, and we've developed an inexpensive do-it-yourself frame jig that can be packed flat and shipped anywhere in the world. So now Ozon is launching our web shop, where we take all of our years and thousands of kilometers of experience, pack it in a box, and send it to your door. This way you can build your bamboo bike with confidence without wasting your time just trying to find the right stuff. Aside from some basic tools, the kit contains everything you need to build your bike frame. It has the geometry drawings of your design, the bamboo, dropouts, bottom bracket shell, seat post sleeve, steer tube, composite cloth, epoxy resin, and many more parts that you'll need in the build process. Building a bamboo bike is complex, rewarding, a lot of fun to do with friends, and our tutorial videos will guide you through every step along the way. The videos are recorded in real time. That means you'll see everything that you have to do to build the bike. Like, we really don't leave anything out at all. It's a lot of hours of videos. Bikes from Ozon are beautiful and hold up to years of daily use. And that's not just by chance, it's from experience. So are you ready to get dusty? Just pick the design you want, convince a friend to do it with you, and pre-order the complete kit right here on this crowdfunding campaign. We'll help to make sure that you have success and a lot of fun building your bamboo bike.